Ikigai by Hector Garcia and Frances Miralles. But first, before we tackle what is Ikigai all about, let me ask you two questions that poke my mind about Ikigai. The first question is, what is the meaning of life? And the second is, what is your purpose in life? So, let's go tackle what is Ikigai. So, what is Ikigai all about? Ikigai is all about the centenarians people who have lived for more than 100 years in Okinawa, Japan. So, how do the centenarians people have lived for more than 100 years in Okinawa, Japan? But first, a small trivia. If you wanna know, the Okinawa, Japan is also called the island of longevity and happiness. So, are you curious, how do Okinawa people have lived for more than 100 years? It is because they believe in hara hachibu, which means eat until your belly is 80% full. And not only that, they believe that even though you haven't met a person, you have to treat them as a brother. And not only that, Japanese people in Okinawa doesn't retire until their health makes them to stop on doing what they love. So, if you wanna know what is Ikigai all about, or if you want to find the meaning of your life and your purpose in life, your passion, your vocation, I recommend you in reading Ikigai because it helps you to give you an advice on how can you live in longevity, in happiness, and to find your passion and the meaning of your life and your purpose in life. So, that is the two questions that I will leave to you. What is your purpose in life and what is the meaning of life? If you want to know it, I recommend you reading Ikigai because Ikigai will give you a life lesson that you will never ever forget. Ikigai.
Na-feel nyo na ba yun na pag nakita nyo siya, pagkausap nyo siya, ibang-iba no? Alam mo yung feeling na hindi mo ma-describe?